10 minus 1 is equals to 9. And here in the parentheses also 10 minus 1 which equals to 9. Then 9 times 9 is just 81. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to here addition and subtraction. Okay, addition and subtraction. In this expression there is one subtraction, one multiplication here, and one parenthesis here. Inside the parenthesis there is a subtraction. So first we have to do this parenthesis, and next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay. So if we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parenthesis, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parenthesis. 10 minus 1 which gives us 9. And here 10 minus 1 times 9. In this expression there is one subtraction and multiplication. Therefore multiplication has higher priority than subtraction according to Pemdas, because multiplication comes before subtraction. Therefore we have to multiply this number before. Okay, 1 times 9 which gives us 9. Then 10 minus 9 is just 1. This is the correct answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer is 1. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.